I'm Emily and I'm the current perioperative clinical lead here at L&P Aesthetics, and today I'm going to be showing you some massages that you can do after your facelift, neck lift, or eyelid surgery. These are massages that you can start performing a few weeks after your surgery, and the doctors will clear you for when you can begin them. So the first massage that I'm going to show is a temple massage for our facelift patients. So using 2 fingers on either side of your temples, go ahead and use medium to firm pressure and do some circular motions along the temple. And you will do this for about 15 to 20 seconds a day for 2 times a day. And the next massage that I will show you is a massage for our facelift or neck lift patients. And for this one, you will use your index finger and your thumb. Place your index fingers against your chin and using your thumb in a backwards and pressing upwards motion, go ahead and put some pressure along the incision line here. And you'll do this for about 15 to 20 seconds a day, 2 times a day. The next massage that I'm going to show is for our lower eyelid surgery patients. And for this one, you will go ahead and use your index finger, place it along the outer corner of your eye, pull up towards your upper eyelid, and open your mouth at the end of the motion, and you'll continue to move in and repeat the motion. And you will do this again for about 20 seconds a day, 2 times a day. The last exercise I'm going to show is for our facelift and neck lift patients, and these are just range of motion exercises you can do to move your neck more after the surgery. So you will just go ahead and move your neck up, down, left, and right, and stop when the motion feels tight. Thank you for watching these massages today, and again, our doctors will clear you for these when you are ready to do so. My name is Emily and I work at L&P Aesthetics, and we'll see you next time.